What is up, guys? Let's install the oil seal between the differential and the bell housing clutch area. Going to add a little bit of the red gasket maker so that we get a better seal there. Maybe a bit of overkill, but why not? Okay, just putting a little bit of a bead on there, and then we'll pull the seal in with a bolt. That looks like it's going pretty nicely. Let's test fit the actual gears. Okay, so that's the reverse gear. It fell off when I took it apart. How the hell do we get it back on? Okay, so what I've done is I've put it in gear, so the lever is forward, meaning this reverse gear is synced with its gear and it's sitting there. Then perhaps we put a piece of wire on there and then pull the wire out. Let's try that. So I've hooked the wire around the gear and then just through there and then sort of crimped it off over there. So let's check. Ah, damn. I think that's gonna work. Ah, damn. Damn. Alright. So the gear's on. And it's stuck in gear. Stuck, not really, just in gear. Okay. Reverse sorted. See, I don't know what's stuck and what's not here. Thinking. These facets have to line up with the facets in the case here, so that's kind of tricky. I have to figure out how to get that right. Okay, so I think I figured it out. So this shaft here is at the top of the gearbox. So there's this notch in there, you can see. So we align the notch exactly in line with the top of the gearbox, and then we should see it come through the other side, and we try and get this thing as close to vertical as possible, and we wiggle a bit because essentially this is going to be tight inside the casing, so we'll have to knock this if it's gone out of line, but I think that's the way to do it. Okay, so I hot glued the pinion to basically the bearing. It'll go through, it'll stay vertical with that notch. And then because the stuff is slightly greasy, hopefully I can just pull the hot glue out and it'll come out nicely. Let's see. Gaskets. So we'll test with these things, probably put a nice red bead around this, clean this up a bit. It's okay. Fit everything together. Red gasket maker, let's put it on. No time like the present. So they say to put 2 mils of this around, but because I'm using the paper gasket as well, I'll just do a thin bead on each side, put the paper gasket in between and clamp it down. Hey guys, so something that I've forgotten to mention is to please like and subscribe and click the notification bell. It will really help me out. Give me some feedback, see what I can improve, and yeah, enjoy the videos. Thank you. Cheers.